Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sarahiiy. Thank you so much for being here. So for today's look, I'm going to be doing this summer glam. I'm so obsessed on how this look turned out in this video. Also, I forgot to mention that this video is sponsored by Clinique to show you guys this black honey almost lipstick. I am obsessed with this color, you guys. It makes my lips look juicy. It makes them look rich and moisturizing. They just look so beautiful, and it's a one-size-fits-all lipstick. It's a very universal shade, which, I mean, look at my lips right now. And it retails for $17.50 at Sephora. And also, you guys, I can't believe that I'm working with Clinique. It's truly an honor and a dream come true to be working with them. I never thought in a million years that I'd be working with a big brand like this, but it's all thanks to you guys. And I just want to take this time to thank you guys for all the opportunities you guys have given me, like throughout my platform and just YouTube in general. Like, thank you guys so much for clicking the subscribe button and just always being here for me. So yeah, I feel like I've said thank you like 10 times already, but thank you guys. But yeah, if you guys want to learn how I did this summer glam, then please continue watching. Alright, so first let's start off by prepping our skin. You guys know that I'm all about prepping the skin before foundation, before anything. I already applied some moisturizer, so right now I'm just going to be applying my favorite primer at the moment, which is the NYX Honey Do Me Up primer. I'm almost done with it, you guys. I need to go back to Ulta to go get a new one because I really freaking love this primer. I feel like since my skin is really dry right now, this makes it a little like dewy. I mean, hello, the name says it all, like, but it really does help my skin look, you know, glowy and dewy, and that's what I always want when I, you know, do my makeup. I want like dewy, healthy looking skin, so I feel like this really gives me that type of look that I'm going for. I really like it right now so far. I actually wanted to use my YSL blur, what is it, blur primer, blur tinted dole primer or something like that, but I cannot find it anywhere. Like, looking for it for like 30 minutes, I could not find it in my vanity or anything, so we're gonna skip that part. I really love that primer because it does blur out my pores. Next, I'm just gonna use my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water. You guys know that this is one of my favorite primers. I just don't like. We're gonna apply my favorite lip balm at the moment, which is the Pari Lip Love Lip Balm. I'm just gonna be applying my Lancome Teint Eau Ultra Wear Foundation. This is in the shade 420 Bis, and all I'm gonna do is pump two little pumps in the back, on the back of my hand. I'm just gonna be applying it now with this flat brush. Now I'm going to blend it out with my Morphe sponge. I've been really loving my Tarte Shape Tape concealers, and I actually have them in 3 different shades. And of course, you guys don't have to, you know, buy 3 shades, but I'm a little extra that I did get 3 shades. I always get tan sand if I have any breakouts on my face, or if I really have bad under eye bags. I really like using that to cover it up and like to color correct. And then I use medium to highlight, and then sometimes I use light medium honey to highlight more. I'm gonna go ahead and use a tan sand to, you know, cover up more little imperfections, but honestly, I really have dark bags under my eyes right here. It's like no freaking joke. And then right here, of course, I have like this little pimple here. Alright, so now I'm just gonna blend it out with my damp, not beauty blender, Morphe sponge. Alright, so now I'm gonna go ahead and cream contour a little bit with my Lancome makeup stick. And then I go ahead and take like a different shade, but this is my good old Wet n Wild makeup contour stick. And after that, I just take medium. I just kind of clean up the contour like that, and then I drag the concealer like this. Forehead, Cupid's bow, and chin. Then after that, I just blend everything together. Alright, so now I'm just gonna blend out my nose contour with my Tarte, I will leave it down on my description box. I'm just gonna drag it down like this. Alright, so now to set my under eyes, I'm going to be using my Hourglass Veil setting powder. And I've really been loving this powder to set my under eyes. Now I'm just going to bronze up really quick with my Marc Jacobs Mega Bronzer and Omega Bronzer. And I'm just going to be applying it with my Hourglass brush. If you guys haven't seen my first impressions, you guys should go ahead and check it out. I will have it down on my description box so you guys can go ahead and watch that video. Alright, so now I'm just gonna add my blush. I am really loving this Morphe blush palette. This is in Warm Master. Love taking MUA and Witty. Just mix those two together and you make the perfect blush. Like, look at this. You know what? The only thing I just dislike about this palette is this palette does not have a mirror, so I just can't look at myself. And I really like to get close up in a mirror and really see where I place my blush. Alright, so right after I get done with my blush and like my bronzer and everything, I go ahead and take my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in the shade 10. And what I like doing is carving out right here. And I specifically like this powder for this step because I like the shade. So right after this, I go ahead and do my eyebrows. I'm gonna do my eyebrows off camera because it takes so freaking long for me to do my eyebrows. Besides, I do have a updated, you know what, I'm gonna do an updated brow tutorial. Let me know if you guys want that. Thumbs up this video if you guys want an updated brow routine. I know I did one not too long ago, but I did it on 2017, so just let me know if you guys want one by even like commenting down or liking the video. But I'm gonna do my eyebrows off camera and then I'll be right back. Alright, so now that we're done doing our brows, I'm gonna go ahead and dust this off because I mean, I don't want to look crazy. So I'm just gonna dust it off now. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and do my eyes. Today I'm going to be using the Morphe Dare to Create palette. I haven't used this palette. I lost the little name tags of them. So I'm just gonna like tell you guys what I'm gonna apply. But the first shade I'm gonna be applying is this orange shade right here. I'm gonna go with my Dose of Colors Sassy Sienna's palette. If you guys haven't picked this palette up, like, what are you doing? Because it's such a great palette for the summertime. Like, look at these colors, they're so pretty. But I'm gonna be taking a Bossy, and I'm just going to be applying this all over my lid. Alright, so now I'm just going to be taking this shade again, and what I'm going to be doing is apply this underneath my lower lash line. These are right here, and these are in the style Amore. If you guys haven't seen my, I think it's my quick summer glow makeup tutorial. If you guys haven't seen it, you guys have to go see it. So now I'm just going to be applying my mascara. This is the Lancome Big Mascara. I don't know how to pronounce it. Monsieur. So now I'm going to apply my highlight. I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty Bronze Sand, and I'm going to be taking Maldives. And I'm actually going to be taking Maldives, and I'm just going to apply it right here. And then, of course, I'm going to be taking that shade again and just apply it on my brow bone. Alright, so right on top of the Huda Beauty highlight, I always like to take my Persona Zoom Out highlighter, and I just really love this highlighter, you guys. Alright, so now I'm just going to lip line my lips with my MAC Strip Down Lip Liner. Alright, so now I'm going to be applying my Clinique Almost Lipstick. This is such a pretty lipstick. Like, as you guys can see, look how pretty the packaging is. It's very simple. It's very travel friendly. So now I'm just going to apply it on. I love the feeling of this lipstick. My lips feel so juicy, very moisturized. I freaking love this lipstick. Alright, so last but not least, I'm gonna go ahead and take my Cover FX Dewy Finish Setting Spray. Alright guys, so this is the finished results. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know on the comment bar if you guys did. I'm just obsessed on how this look turned out. The lipstick is perfect for this look. It's so beautiful. My lips feel super juicy and very rich. And I will leave a link down below so you guys know where to find the Clinique Black Honey Almost Lipstick. Yeah, I freaking loved how it turned out, and thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on my next video. Bye guys.